Hello YouTube and fellow radio hams. This is just a quick video about a new radio that I've got recently. I haven't posted too much on YouTube recently. I've kind of become a bit disillusioned with it. People copying stuff that I put on, either copying my ideas and basically doing a video exactly the same, or copying my technical ideas, particularly about the all-star stuff, and then putting it on their websites and reproducing it as their own ideas. So but this hopefully won't attract too much attention. It's a low band radio, so in the PMR, private mobile radio world, low band is 66 to 88 megahertz in the UK here. And this is a Tait TM8200 radio. Quite a rare find actually. This is a 1,000 channel set, the high tier model of this kind of series of radios, which are all very similar, with different what they call a control head on the front here, of some available with just a single digit display with 10 channels, and others with 100 channels, or this one's 1,000 channel, but of course you've got the full display on here, and I'll come on to that in a second. They're 25 watt, as you know, typical commercial radios are, and it's still got the screen protector on, which basically means it's new. As long as that stays on, this radio is brand new. I'm just joking, but you know what I mean. So it's as it was when it arrived here, and if I turn it off, you can see what it probably had previously been used for. SARCOM, search and rescue, possibly, I don't know. But I've got the old programming software over here, and I've put the 4 meter band in. Yes, anybody watching will notice I've put 70.2 and the SSB and some AM channels in there. I think 7260 I think is the AM channel, but anyway, I put them in anyway. Not that I'd use them on FM, but as you can see, I've put in all of the channels, and the RX, TX frequencies, net power. You can choose low, very low is 1 watt, low is 5, medium is 10, and high is 25. If you've got the calibration software for these Taits, which I do have, then you can actually set what those very low, medium and high power levels are, but I'm going to leave it stock. 10 watts is fine. If you can't hear me on 10 watts, then it's probably not worth messing around with. Bandwidth 25 kilohertz, which of course is plus or minus 2.5 kilohertz. I wish people would observe that and actually use that, because these channels are spaced at 12.5 kilohertz. Sorry. Anyway, I'm just going to click the program button. This will download the config from the computer into the radio via this little cable here, and I'm just going to pause the video for a second, and then we'll see if it worked. Right, okay, so the config's been loaded into the radio now, and I've left the search and rescue channels in there, but what I've done is I've created a new zone. And if you just click on the zones button here, you can see we've got 4 meters, and I'm going to select that, and we've now got all of our 4 meter channels, and I'm just going to go through the frequencies. 7450 is the FM call-in channel. I'll be here in a second, and then select that. What I'm going to do with these buttons here are actually programmable, what you want them to do. So F1 I'm going to set as the squelch defeat, so you push and hold this button and it will open the squelch. F2 will be scan, and then probably these two buttons I might make F4, just because it's easy to get to, it's at the end. I might make that a shortcut to this channel, so you just hit F4, boof, and it will send you straight to the FM calling channel, and then you can just use the up and down buttons to go. There's probably only, in reality, for 4 meters, there's only a couple of channels that you need really. The calling channel and maybe plus or minus a few channels. This is the microphone in case you're interested. Nice and clean. I've not cleaned it or anything, but it does look nice and tidy. So really pleased with that. I've got loads of these, so no problem if it didn't work. So there you go. This is the Tait TM8200 low band 66 to 88 commercial radio. These really are the best you can buy. Blow ham radio stuff away. Leave it for dust really as far as performance goes. Maybe not functionality or ease of use, but certainly in regards to their receivers and the transmitters, they're just miles ahead of anything else. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video, and maybe catch you on 4 meters sometimes. Thanks for watching.